I've been playing the guitar since I was about 12. Quit for about 20 years and then went through a divorce and needed something to keep my sanity, so I picked it back up again and been playing it ever since. Ended up playing in a band, and I've been in a band now for 15 years. A student, when they take my class, they'll learn how to take care of their guitar. They'll learn the basic chords, basic strumming patterns, and we play a lot of songs. My primary focus is to teach them to play songs and multiple songs, and so they learn the basic chords, and then we go from there. When they leave, they will be able to play virtually any song they want to, because they'll know the major chords and the minor chords. And so once you know the major chords and the minor chords, you know, it's really unlimited what you can do. You can play virtually any song you want to. If you're interested in playing a guitar, I mean this sincerely. Since 2006, I've only had one student that I could not teach how to play guitar. That gentleman could play a harmonica like crazy, but there was something about the strings that it just didn't fit. If somebody asks me about playing guitar, I just tell them, you know, come take my guitar class. You know, I guarantee you'll learn how to play.